Hey guys, let's go through the question number 6. To solve the equation 5 sine 2 theta equal to 9 times tangent theta. And the range of theta is between minus 180 to 180. Okay, to do this question, we have to know that for double angle formula, sine 2 theta is equal to 2 times sine theta cosine theta, and then tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, but place the sine 2 theta five times 2 sine theta times cos theta, which is equal to 9 sine theta over 10 theta. And then sine theta over cos theta. And then cross multiply the cosine theta to the LHS. So it becomes 10 sine theta cosine square theta, which is equal to 9 sine theta. 10 sine theta cosine square theta minus 9 sine theta, which is 0. To take out sine theta. And then it becomes 10 sine theta times bracket 10 times cos square theta minus 9, which is 0. So now we have sine theta is 0, or 10 cos square theta minus 9 is 0. Okay, to solve sine theta is 0, then we have to draw the sine graph. (90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and then 360 degrees. And then this is y is equal to sine theta, y and then x. And then, so, as from the graph, we see that for x is 0, 180, sine theta is 0. So the answer is theta is 0, 180, but because the range is between 180 degrees to 180, so we have one more answer, which is to make 180 to becomes negative, so it is minus 180. So the answers are plus or minus 180 and then 0 degree. And to solve, tan cos square theta minus 9 is 0. So cos square theta is 9 over 10. So cos theta is plus or minus 9 over 10, square root 9 over 10. For cosine theta is equal to positive square root 9 over 10. Theta is at cosine square root 9 over 10, which is equal to 18.4 degrees. But we have more than one answer. We have to apply the CAST graph, the quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. To remind you guys that the quadrant 2, only sign is positive, so it is 180 minus theta. For the tangent, quadrant 3, only 180 plus theta. Only tangent is positive, and in quadrant 4, only cos is positive, which is 360 minus theta. So the for cosine theta equal to positive square root 9 over 10, The other answer is, because we use the quadrant 1 and 4, the other answer is 360 minus 18.4, which is 341.6. But this is outside the region, because the region is between theta. The range of the theta is between minus 180 to 180, so we have to turn 341.6 as negative. So the other answer is 341.6 minus 360, which is minus 18.4 degrees. So the answers plus or minus 18.4 degrees. Okay, again, for cos theta is between minus 18 minus square root 9 over 10. We have to apply the CAST. Graph. Okay, just write down the corresponding equations. So now, because our cos theta is negative, so we have to use the quadrant 3 and quadrant 2. So for the quadrant 2, then the first answer is 180 minus 18.4, because we have the angle 18.4 in region 1, which is 161.6 degrees. And we have other answer, which is from quadrant 3, which is 180 plus 18.4 degrees, which is 198.4 degrees. So, but 198.4 is outside the range of the theta, because range of the theta is between minus 180 to 180 degrees. So we have to turn it into negative values, which is minus 161 degrees. So the answers minus 161 plus or minus 161 degrees. So to sum up, for the equation 5 times sine 2 theta is equal to 9 tangent theta, the answers are 0 plus or minus 180 degrees plus or minus 18.4 degrees plus or minus 161.6 degrees. Okay, that's it for the 6A. Okay, see you guys.